Start using castor oil before bed and see what happens. Welcome! Today, we're uncovering an ancient secret that's been cherished for generations, a natural remedy that could transform your skin, hair, and even your sleep. Castor oil has been valued for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. It is known to improve skin and hair health, and can even support better sleep when used before bed. This oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish and rejuvenate, making it a popular choice in both ancient and modern wellness practices. Regular use can enhance your overall well-being, helping you wake up refreshed and looking healthier. Whether you're aiming to improve your skin's hydration, encourage hair growth, or promote better sleep, castor oil is a simple yet effective addition to your nightly routine. Curious about what this powerful, all-natural solution is and how it can enhance your life? Stay tuned as we reveal how this oil could become your new bedtime essential. 1. Improves skin health. Applying castor oil to your skin before bed can significantly improve its health. The oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which deeply moisturizes and reduces inflammation, helping to maintain a healthy skin barrier. Other components, like oleic and linoleic acids, support hydration, elasticity, and repair. These elements work together to nourish the skin, keeping it soft and smooth. By applying castor oil at night, it penetrates deeply, enhancing your skin's appearance. Regular use can result in healthier, more supple skin that is better protected from environmental factors. 2. Enhances hair growth. Applying castor oil to your scalp before bed can promote hair growth. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil improves blood circulation to the scalp, activating dormant hair follicles and leading to thicker, stronger hair. Additionally, omega-9 fatty acids in the oil nourish the scalp, strengthen roots, and reduce hair breakage. Castor oil also helps lock in moisture, preventing dryness and making hair shinier and softer. By including castor oil in your nightly routine, you can support natural hair growth, leading to fuller, healthier-looking hair over time.